Starting your own YouTube channel is easier than you think. First, you'll need a Google account. If you have Gmail, you are already set. Head to YouTube, sign in, and click on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. Select Switch Account and then click View All Channels. Click Create a Channel and then choose a name that's catchy and reflects your content. Next, personalize your channel by putting profile picture, channel banner, channel name, and of course, channel description. Plan your content by knowing your target audience, video ideas, and content schedule. Record your videos and upload your first video. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Be patient, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun.